Hey y'all, welcome back to the set. I appreciate you stopping in. Hey, today is going to be some good groceries. Sweet chili chicken, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be good. You will not want to miss it. Stick around, y'all. Let's go. That's some good groceries. Hey, I'm just gonna level with y'all. I love some Chinese food, Japanese, whatever, and the Blackstone just really makes short work of this task. All right, guys, we're gonna get started. First things first, we're gonna get some rice going, and I got my rice cooker going on over here, and we're just gonna make up some jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice with mine. Hey, use whatever rice you like. I'm using jasmine rice, and I'm not even gonna measure. You don't have to measure because I'm gonna give you a pretty cool tip. So I'm going to say that's going to be about 1 cup. Now, one thing I do like to do, if I wasn't outside, if I was up at the stairs in the house, I'd like to wash this a little bit, get some of that starch off of it. But guess what? I don't have a sink out here, and we're just going to rough it because we're rugged and tough, okay? So I got just a little bit of water. Not a little bit. It's going to be more than a little bit, okay, y'all? And so we got our rice in here, in our rice cooker. Some of y'all might know the old knuckle test. This is your measuring tool right here. So we're going to pour in about, all right, let's see here. All right, shake that around. Take said measuring device, and you want to come up to about this first knuckle right here. I need just a hair more, just a hair. Settle that around. Right there we go. That was the secret of the year right there, y'all. That old knuckle right there, it's the best thing ever. Now we got our pot. We're going to bring it over here to our rice cooker. Any old rice cooker will do. It's going to take about 15 minutes, which is perfect because we got some prepping to do with our chicken, some vegetables, all that kind of good stuff. So let's get to the cutting board. So for this recipe, I'm going to use about 2 chicken breasts here, y'all. Not making a ton. There's also going to be some vegetables going on, so 2's plenty. I like to come in here and see any kind of just rogue items on the chicken. Just kind of trim those things up a little bit. A lot of times this is not real flavorful, not real chewable either, so just kind of get rid of that. You see how this is kind of thick right here? We're just going to come in and we're going to butterfly these down. Basically, we're going to make 2 pieces. We're going to come in. I just want to make nice little cubes, perfect for your mouth when you're eating, just like that. We're going to stack all of those up. That's going to be perfect right there. We got our chicken done. Got it in our bowl. Now, time to make a little bit of a little something to, this right here will help kind of get a crispiness to the chicken. It'll help the sauce adhere to it when we come to that point. Got a little bit of cornstarch here. I'm going to say about 2 tablespoons. We're going to come in here with a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. See how just kind of sticky that is? That cornstarch is really trying to absorb everything. That's exactly what you want. When we get it over on the griddle, it's going to get crispy a little bit. All right, so we got our chicken, got it sitting over there. It's chilling out, it's waiting. It's just over there saying, I'm ready. I'm waiting for you. I know what you're thinking though. What kind of vegetables are you gonna put in here, Hussey? I'm gonna go kind of simple. I'm gonna do just a red bell pepper. I'm gonna do some onions. I'm gonna throw even a little bit of pineapple. I know it's not a vegetable, but we're gonna put some pineapple in it. It could be a vegetable if it wants to be. Me and this can opener, sometimes we just don't see eye to eye. I feel like it's got beef with me sometimes. Is it, just like that? Like that? Like that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, ready? I thought this one right here would be really nice to have. But, yeah, not so much. Now we're cooking with some gas right now. What thing looks like I gnawed it off with, with my teeth. We got our can of pineapple. And I'm just going to drain the juice off. Might even need that juice later on, so that's why I'm saving it. Got our chicken done. Got our rice done. Oh man, that rice, boy, it's smelling, looking good. It's ready. Got our vegetables ready. Let's head on over to the Blackstone. Let's get this started. All right, let's go. All right, we're going to add our oil. This is avocado olive oil blend. And we're going to add our peppers and we're going to add our onions to the Blackstone. We got our heat on a high heat right here, y'all. We want to make sure it really gets these things nice and crisp. We want to get a nice little char on this, get some flavor. All right, once we get those down, it's time to get the chicken ready. And same thing, I'm gonna come in with some olive oil, avocado oil blend. We're gonna lay our chicken mixture down, and it is all stuck together, which is fine. Just wanna come in and try to get everything kind of flattened out so that every little piece has a little bit of contact patch to the griddle top, okay? Let this chicken, just let it sit there. You want this to get crispy. Hey y'all, thanks for watching thus far. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. While that's over there hanging out, we're gonna come over here and check on our vegetables. Vegetables are looking good. We are gonna come in with a little bit of salt. Every once in a while, just toss your vegetables around. Look at this nice color this is getting. That's exactly what you want. All right, so it's time to flip our chicken now, y'all. But man, look at this color. This is what the cornstarch does, y'all. It makes it almost like a breading. And that's just gonna act as a nice thickener when we put our sauce in. All right, we just wanna come in with another spatula here. Just kind of break the chicken up where it was kind of stuck together from the cornstarch. Just like, just come in and be like, hey, break it up. You're all, just go. Y'all, this chicken looking amazing. I've had my burners on high. I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna lower everything down. Just nice and gentle, okay? Y'all, we're at a great point. Let's put our vegetables over with our chicken. I'm gonna bring in another spatula and we're gonna get at this. Once our chicken's pretty much done, we're gonna come in with some sweet chili sauce. This Panda Express sauce is really, really good. Not that hot. It does have a little bit of heat. We're gonna pour about that whole bottle in there. And oh man, this is gonna be great. Also, don't forget about your pineapple. Put that in there. We'll just put that whole can in there. Mix this together. Lord have mercy. Boy, some goodness right here. Dang it, boy. Y'all, it's done. Doesn't take long. Let's get this off the griddle. Woo-wee, look at this plate of food right here. But we're not done yet. We're just gonna add a little bit of green onions just for some garnish to make it all pretty and everything. Never know when you're gonna have company, but golly, look at this. Good night in the morning. That's a plate full of goodness right there, y'all, guarantee it. Boy, now it's time to try these groceries. But we're not done yet. We gotta get our rice, y'all. So here's our rice. And I'll say something, I forgot something, I'm sorry. I normally like to add a little bit of this chicken bouillon to my water. This kind of helps give it a little bit more flavor. I forgot. But we're gonna come in here. Look at how this rice, it's just nice and fluffy. You could use this same rice to make fried rice if you want, but it's just super flavorful. And remember, we didn't even measure this, y'all. Old finger, right, a little bed of rice down. I'd like to lay in a bed of rice myself. Let's come in here with some of our chicken. Oh, beautiful chicken. Look at this. Hello. Boy, that's a plate of food right there, if I say so myself. All right, hey, this moment we've been waiting for. I'm hungry, y'all. So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna try to get a bite of everything. A little pepper, a little rice. It's gonna be kind of tough. Woo, boy, that's a beautiful looking bite. Now that is some good groceries. Man, I want to take another bite. Sorry. That was so good, y'all. So good. Y'all, hey, you want to cook this for your next family get-together, next family meal, I promise people will love it. I appreciate you watching. Hey, head on over to Blackstone Network where you see a lot of awesome recipes just like this. Also, griddlenation.com. Head on over there, show them some love also. A lot of good stuff. Hey y'all, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.